In this video, I'm going to teach you how to manage tasks with To-Do in Outlook. If you often find yourself juggling multiple tasks or need a better way to keep track of what needs to be done, this guide will help you utilize Outlook's task management features effectively. First, navigate to the Microsoft Outlook page. Once there, click Sign In and enter your login details carefully. If you're already logged in, you can skip this step. After entering your information, click Next to go to your Outlook dashboard. On your dashboard, look toward the top right corner for the My Day option. Click on To Do within this section to start managing your tasks. Once the To Do area is open, click the plus sign that says Add a Task. This will give you a space to write down your task. Think about what you need to accomplish today or in the coming days, such as a meeting preparation, a project deadline, or a personal reminder. After writing the task, click Add to save it to your list. To differentiate tasks based on priority, use the star icon on the left side of each task. Clicking the star marks a task as important, highlighting those that need immediate attention. You can continue adding tasks, star those that are critical, and plan your day clearly. Outlook's task feature not only keeps you organized, but also enhances productivity, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks and you focus on what truly matters. Good task management is key to handling workloads effectively. Take a few minutes each day to set up your tasks. I hope this tutorial helps make task management a breeze using Microsoft Outlook. Thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to check back for more tips on productivity and organization. Have a fantastic and productive day with your newly organized tasks.